Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to do a quick Boxycharm unboxing. I know I'm so late. I've actually been very busy, but I did actually use a few of these things, and I can actually tell you guys some of the things of what I thought, but I do want to show you guys the August box. September will be here soon. I can't wait. Some great spoilers for that box, so cannot wait for that. But this is called Totally Boxycharm. And first things first is actually the thing that I really like. I've been using. It's the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and this originally retails for $39. As you can tell, I've been using it now for the past few weeks. I will say it doesn't work with all my foundations. If I want to use it on my more stickier foundations, I noticed I have to kind of put my other normal setting powder beforehand, but because this kind of has that wet feel, it'll kind of cling to some of it. At least that's my personal experience. So with some of this, I like to use this more as a refresh. I know it says set and refresh, but I find it works better to actually just refresh it after I already have another powder on, at least for me, because if not, it will kind of pick up on that color, and because I'm so fair, you'll see that. But there is this great deal. I did get these two single shadows. They are by, sorry, I suck, Ace Beauty. These are originally $25, and they are the Glimmer Shadow Duo. Oops, they're very pretty. I'm not a huge single shadow fan. I won't go out of my way to get them, but when I do have them, I will use them. I think they're so pretty. Beautiful bronze shade here. They're perfect, like, fall-y type shades. And then this could be a summer shade too, but it's like a pinky corally color, but you could totally pull that into a fall shade as well. Very pretty, nice pigmented, nice shimmer. I really liked them. I've used them both just one time, but so far I did not use this yet. This is the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. I'm not sure if I can use this, but originally retails for $42. I have seen this in other people's videos before, and people do like this, so I'll have to look up the ingredients. If not, I'm going to pass this along to a friend, but I have heard great things about this. Next is a Steve Laurent lip liner. I actually like a lot of the products we get from Steve Laurent in boxes. This is in the shade Vogue. I love this color. I actually kind of really like the stuff. Remember we got an eyeliner before. It was actually really nice. I like Steve Laurent's brand. And next is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. It's originally $23. Super pretty looking. I'm not sure if I can use this. I'm pretty sure this has nuts in it. Yeah. It has a seed in it that I'm allergic to. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it does look nice. I'm probably going to pass this along to a friend, because I know I have a few friends that are super into Tarte, so I'm going to pass this along, but I have heard great things about this. But yeah, this was September's just alone for this, honestly. It was like all I really cared about, to be honest. I just really have always wanted to try this, and it was my perfect opportunity, so I really love this, mainly just for this. But yeah, sorry, I am so late. Please forgive me, but this was August's box. Definitely think it's great. I personally really love Boxycharm, and honestly, if you didn't have an allergy, like I'm allergic to mad stuff, if you weren't, you get way more use out of it, but I still find it worth it for the stuff that I get, and end up loving. So, highly recommend. Super cute, worth the money. Cannot wait for next month. Oh, September is showing such awesome spoilers, I can't even. So, super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Have a great day.